we're letting the children down.
The kids today had to buy their own lunch, and parents, if their kids wouldn't buy lunch and earn money to buy lunch, nobody was eating. Learning through play, it's solidifying things in their minds and they don't even realise how much they're learning.
Yeah, it's going to stay with them for life.
This is very different to probably what most people are used to when it comes to like education. So WEC stands for Wellbeing and Education, and that's obviously what we want to provide for them. Their well-being, and they can grow in confidence and with ideas, and you're going to see the brilliance come out. There may be some emotions that come up, there may be some stuff that starts to, what you might perceive, go out of control. It's all supposed to happen. I've got a couple of people, yeah. One is called Ro. Ro goes to work. Rom gets to work. What does he do? Gets to work. What does gets to work mean? And how much money you make today?
4,020.
You guys ready?
Yes!
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
23,300. Don't people normally just work for money?
Yeah, but that's the hard way.
Yeah, that's the hard way. Give me a high five.
Here they can understand like how to make the money and principles on investment and everything like that. So I think it's very good.
I've made 2,700.
How did you do that?
I was investing.
Like learning how to handle money and like how to invest and stuff.
And making new friends and learning how to earn money.
It's a really good chance for the kids that are a bit closed off. It's a really good chance for them to open up and come out of their shells and sort of build teams and understand how money works.
We're doing the game at the moment and we're trying to invest into the businesses around.
You should invest in your money because it's better than spending and working.
To see the kids involved working as a team and also applying some of the tips that they are receiving from Mark.
There are easier ways to earn money than working hard, like work smart, not hard.
I'm looking into business and trying to improve my skills.
You should work smarter, not harder.
I have been investing and having lots of fun.
Money is something you can invest in, and if you invest, you can get more from what you started with.
The kids have been involved in trying to get the energy level up and also trying to get some money and invest the money, how they can invest the money and get more out of that.
Today we've been learning about investments and spending, how we should be not just spending our money but investing it.
Education is more important than ever in my opinion, so we have to sort of give the children opportunity to learn, and at the same time we're learning from them. That's from my experience.
I have to be able to invest to get more money because if I just keep spending then I won't have any left.
It's also important to talk about money because money is everyday life.
It helps you learn about business. It's the things you don't really learn in school, and it's really good to have this opportunity. Yeah, I'm very grateful for it.
At school you're not taught about how bills work, mortgages, all the rest of it, whereas here they actually have an opportunity to learn exactly how money works and how you can make more money for the future as well, so it's a great idea.
They should come because you won't get this teaching in school.